Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making sprouted green gram halwa. For this we need sprouted green gram, sugar, condensed milk, cashew nut, almonds, raisin, watermelon seed, cardamom, clarified butter and milk. So firstly we have to coarsely grind our sprouted green gram. Now in a pan take around 50 grams of clarified butter or ghee. Let it melt.
Now add ground green gram.
On very low flame, cook it for around 10 to 12 minutes, stirring continuously till all the extra moisture will evaporate. Now our green gram is cooked. We are cooking it for around 12 minutes. So let it cool down. We will take another pan, add sugar and water to make syrup. Our syrup is ready. Now we will add this syrup into cooked green gram. Now add milk, around 200 ml of milk. Add some cardamom. Mix it. Add condensed milk, around 50 grams of condensed milk. Mix it well. Now add some dry fruits, cashew nut, almonds, watermelon seed, raisin. You can use whatever dry fruit you like. Now we will serve it. Garnish it with dry fruits. And our sprouted green gram halwa is ready. So try this very interesting and healthy recipe, and for daily one instant recipe please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.